Hey Crypto Chads, welcome to the latest edition of Crypto Quickie. Today we're going to be looking at blockchain oracles. So what are oracles in the crypto world? So oracles and why you need them, they act as the bridge between off-chain data and on-chain data. So they can give you data from the off-chain world into the on-chain world, into blockchains like Solana, Ethereum, Dot, pick your poison. So they are very, very, very important for adoption into real world institutions. So the biggest oracle that has the most adoption is Chainlink. So Chainlink has a market cap of 16 billion. It's got a fully diluted valuation of 40 billion. This is still cheap. In my opinion, I think this is still very, very cheap. It could go to $250 billion within this bull run. It's not financial advice, but I feel this is where we could end up before we possibly have retrace. Who knows? We could even go to 1,000, but that does take the diluted valuation to astronomical heights. If you feel you've missed Chainlink, you haven't. It still has a long way to go. There are other blockchains that you could be looking at. So let's say you are a fan of Dot. So Dot's oracle is obviously Link can be used for all the different blockchains, but the one that is specifically for Dot is KYLIN. KYLIN is got a fully diluted valuation of under $1 billion. I'm not saying it's going to get anywhere close to Link. However, it is still a good opportunity, especially from a sentiment standpoint. It could go to $1 billion before this bull run is over, which in multiples is higher than Chainlink. The next one is adopted by Asia and does have quite a lot of real world adoption is Band. Band again, cheap at these prices. It's a good pick, I would say. I think it's a safer pick than the rest of the more riskier oracles. The next one that I'm getting more interested in is CHARLI3 over on the ADA or Cardano hype, because this is the oracle for Cardano. CHARLI3. This was only released a few days ago. Its price rocketed up 25 times, I think, all the way down up to about $1.52, and it is still below its all-time high. Actually went down all the way to 0.7. I actually got some around here. I still think this is pretty cheap, so it's a risky play because who knows what's going to come out of it. This is very, very new. The projects for Cardano aren't really been tested yet. However, as a speculative pick, it could be one to keep an eye on, especially at these prices. It could go lower, but I think averaging down these prices is not a bad idea. Obviously, don't go crazy. Take a little bit of your allocation, put 35% in. As it gets lower, add more, and average that price down. So another one that I kind of like is API3. API3, they are doing things a little bit differently. Again, market cap much lower than Chainlink, but as we know, the adoption isn't there yet. So anything apart from Chainlink is a far riskier play. Chainlink and Band are the big boys. So if you are being smart, I would say get some Chainlink and also maybe get a very tiny portions of some of these other blockchains as well. Another one that is super risky, again another one built in China, is DOS. So DOS has got a tiny market cap, so the risk reward here could be greater. Again, the trading volume is very low, and we don't really know where this could go. But I've obviously put my money into all of these, just a little bit in a lot of these. Chainlink, I got an average price of $2, so I've been in Chainlink for a very long time, and I don't intend to sell that anytime soon. If it gets to $250, then I'll think about taking some profits out, but I am here with Chainlink on the long term. Now, if you also quickly go to the Chainlink price discovery, just give me a sec. Sorry, charts. Chainlink, I feel, is about to break out. We've got the MACD cross that might happen. We've also got the longer term trend on the daily that could break. If that breaks, I feel that we go up very, very quickly. Who knows if it does break? Bitcoin has to behave, Ethereum has to behave. If all these stars align, then Chainlink could get a big boost. And if Chainlink gets a boost, the king gets a boost, then all the subordinates also get a boost up as well. So keep an eye on Chainlink. If that goes up, and if it starts, and because when it goes up, it won't stop. It's that whole BNB effect. When we go into blue skies in crypto in a bull market, we don't stop. We don't know when we're going to stop. We can go to higher prices than you can ever imagine. I'm not saying that is going to happen to Link, but it definitely could. That's it, guys, for the moment. I'll do a little bit more deeper analysis on a lot of these coins, and I will see you next time. Again, this is not financial advice, it's for fun. Take care of yourself and be good.